Welcome to another MT2 Trading platform tutorial video. Today I will be showing you the configuration parameters that our platform allows you to define and customize to fit your trading needs. So let's get started. As you can see, our configuration window is divided into 4 subgroups, and I'll explain each one of them. Trade amount. The first subgroup is trade amount, and these parameters apply only to MetaTrader indicator signals and not copy trading service. There are 3 possible options to define this parameter. For MetaTrader connector, the platform will use a trade amount configured in your MetaTrader connector. This option is usually used when the trade amounts are different between the different connectors. As you can see on the screen, you'll be able to define your trading amount from the MT2 auto connector directly, as well as the martingale parameters for each connector. Fixed amount. If you want to operate with the same amount per trade, you can enable this parameter. All the trades placed from the MetaTrader indicators on your account will be of this exact amount, and the same for the martingale strategy. You can define a fixed martingale with a specific trade amount for each step. Percentage of balance. You can also set your trades amount to a given percentage of your account balance with a minimum trade amount as well. Risk management. Risk management. The second subgroup is risk management, where you'll be able to define the reset profit counter at 0-100 hours. If you enable this option, your profit counter will be reset back to 0 every day at 0-100 hours or every new day. Reset profit counter at restart. If you enable this option, your profit counter will be reset each time you restart your MT2 trading platform. Stop loss. This parameter will define a target maximum amount of money that you can lose before your platform stops working. Take profit. This parameter will define a target maximum amount of money that you can win before your platform stops working. Trade amount limit. With this option, you can set a maximum amount per trade. Volume limit. You can also delimit a trade volume limit if you have several trades running at a certain time. You can set a maximum limit for the total invested on all open trades. Trading filters. The third subgroup is trading filters, where you'll be able to delimit a filter for the minimum payout. This parameter will define the minimum broker payout percentage for your trades, meaning the trades will only be placed if the payout is higher than the defined minimum. Trading hours. You can set a time slot where the platform is allowed to automatically trade for you. It will only execute the trades that are within the established time slot. Limit of open trades per pair. You can also define the number of maximum open trades per currency. Limit of all open trades. This parameter allows you to set a limit of open trades for all currency pairs at a certain time. This option will limit a total maximum over open operations. Allow OTC trading. With this option, you can enable your MT2 trading platform to trade automatically on weekends as well. Note, this function is only available for the broker IQ option. Allow digital options. You can set your platform to trade digital option assets as well as binary ones if you enable this option. Your platform will always be first to open a digital options trade. Please note that this functionality is only available for the broker IQ option. General. The fourth and last subgroup is general configuration, where you'll be able to define if the following information is displayed or not on your MT2 trading platform. Show account balance. This parameter allows you to show or hide your total account balance. Show profit counter. You can decide whether to display or not your profit counter as well. Show trade volume. If you enable this option, your platform will display the total volume traded at the time. Show account number. You can also decide whether to show or not your account balance. For privacy reasons, it is recommended to hide this information. Show open and close prices. With this option, you can choose to have your trades table display the opening price and the closing price of each trade. Hide unopened trades. This parameter allows you to display or not to display the operations that due to an error failed or could not be carried out. And that's it. I hope with this video you can configure your MT2 trading platform to fit your needs and enjoy an amazing automated trading experience. Thanks and kind regards from the MT2 Trading Team.